Glass and mirrors.
Back glass, no crack, no damage. Driver side window glass, no crack, no damage. Both mirror, no crack, no damage, no broken. Mirror frame, no crack, no damage. Well mounted to the tractor body. Hood mirror, no crack, no damage, no broken. Frame, no crack, no damage. Well mounted to the tractor body. Windshield glass, no crack, no damage. Looks good. Right hood mirror, no crack, no damage. Frame, no crack, no damage. Well mounted to the tractor body. The right side both mirror, no crack, no damage, no broken. Both frame, no crack, no damage. Well mounted to the tractor body. Right side window glass, no crack, no damage. Curved mirror, no crack, no damage. Well mounted to the tractor body. Now I read schedule 1.
Fuel system.
Fuel cap, no crack, no damage, no broken. Tight and secure. There is no leakage around the fuel cap. Both straps, no crack, no damage, no broken. Both straps well mounted to the tractor body. Fuel tank, no crack, no damage. Fuel tank well mounted to the tractor with the help of straps. No leakage under the fuel tank. No visible shifting. Now under the cab there is no leakage. Under the engine there is no leakage. Now I go another side.
No, thank you.
Now I read schedule 1.
Okay, next one. Cab door.
Driver side cab door, no crack, no damage, no broken. Unlocks well. Locks well. Moving well. Inside the cab door, no crack, no damage, no broken. All the fasteners and hinges are well available, tight and secure. No free play, well locked. Now I go another side.
No, thank you.
Now I read schedule 1.
Exhaust system.
Okay, my hood is open, truck is on. Manifold, no crack, no damage, no exhaust leak. Turbo, no crack, no damage, no exhaust leak. Exhaust pipe under the cab, no crack, no damage, no exhaust leak. Muffler, no crack, no damage, no exhaust leak. Exhaust pipe to the end, no crack, no damage. Now I go inside the cab. Turn up both window glass up. Turn on defrost. Turn on heat. Turn on fan full speed. And wait for 10 seconds. No exhaust leak inside the cab. Now I read the schedule 1.